Please welcome Adrian Brody and Guy Pearce.
Oh, thank you. That's so cute. I love this place.
He's not kidding. He was just backstage going on a high from doing the press line with all of the kids from the high schools here in Santa Barbara.
I mean, I just want to say, I've been doing this a very long time. I have never experienced a press line like that. And these kids are amazing. No, they are so thoughtful and connected and professional. And I realized that I've been here for the pianists, which was so long ago that they weren't even born yet. and the press line got progressively younger and younger. And then I was talking to kids in middle school, and the last question was, can you tell us about your career? And I said, sure, what would you like to know? And they were like, I don't know anything, because they never knew it. They'd never seen a movie of mine. But it was so cute that I said, well, on this movie, you're a little young for this one. And anyhow, it's so lovely to be here. Great to be here with you all. Thank you, Pete, for this discussion.
And thank you from me as well. It really is a pleasure. And I concur. That was one of the most special experiences speaking to you lovely students out there. No jaded questions whatsoever. It was delightful. So thank you.
You're going to leave all the jaded questions to me.